Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakasin kabaning kong urang Ïalehkai mixed martial arts ka jilla Raymound Johnny Nongrum. Ula soya ka soskular bat kawe ka company kabanan Los Angeles ka upgrade marketing group kabanirap ban betindin tiyo banyo rong syakaran sanyo kunja ka ultimate fighting championship ka bajulong ha USA. Habaya kren bikilat patay kubor haka kandai tarik urampang. Raymound ulapan pau. Bakani ka soskular ka bama ula soy bat ka upgrade marketing group kalong na kabenta shisnam Hakaba udan kaman pen create jana yela di banyo yakun ha USA. Kumba ka pau hapo kate ka upgrade marketing group kiladan amduna ya riu phongot ki snari Ïalehkai MMA but Raymound ulalong urang Ïalehkai baningkong na po ri India ni wat na du ka daw ba Asia ban soya ka skolar bat kani ka kunhon ka bana Los Angeles. Raymound uday unong Ïalehkai MMA balam mi khmat ru ya ka ri India ha ka we ni kiran san yakun balalong ha South Africa ha usnem arhajar khan rio.
Penpau mo kajing songo ya play track rat ningkong pelapen wan nga do kenika lat ka linti biang ka ngari MMA fighter ba ngelaju represent ya ka India ka senam arja country sa South Africa te mentah kini kenti biang yo kalat mo lengba ka trials kini kita ibang alet and then ngelaya sign a contract for 1 year but kawai ka management team upgrade management team from Los Angeles and then kani ka management team kadi ba la head da Julian and then kadi ka bla bon ngidon about around 60 fighters kibara na kani management team and then kibon naki kidi UFC fighters and then ngaro ngayo lingba way UFC fighter and then Rayshon so he udi tu ba yarap yang fan yo pa kanika team so I ngadon pa kanika team upgrade management te mentak ha kalian ka management ni itu ide ni ba na ba in charge nga siya India so ngadi iwe ba masajid first time na India na Asia but kanika team and then kanika team menta ngong men ngandon sa ngala ngamut manage menta biang pro level kabanlong kidan southly ki promotion ki blawan ki bla approach mangi kade kawai kade EFC kawai kade ka was that Netherlands level kadi na Netherlands kawai kadi na South Africa kawai kadi na Malaysia and then menem step ru ngidang yo kawai kadi na Singapore te ngin ngidang ya chakmat baka jingya soy ka skolar ka ni skolar ka update pang ka jingna jingwan jongi ka jing travel ka no kin ai lingba ka jing negotiate but I manager jona Vikram te kani kadika first time hi ngaru bangan net yashimenta sathie and then nga donru ka jingkar part iki part mo ki badan chini ki MMA fans ba kin snok tilam kin yadon mentalam but kani long kani jingnet jing gonjonga te kanang ba kanlong ba siso nomor kaniru ka kadika very important yang nomor ba kale long dadanga job 3 fights ngala ban shortlisted to UFC road to UFC ta kani ka we ka kalat kalanti nga bang happen let da jing job bat hakni ki likely fight south league fight ki banong ta kanang banyo ata jing job nga kwa ka jing kershan na baro ki pat ka jela jongi but kanang ba kani ka jing na jonga kalong ka sai so lang ba ka jing don ka jongki but kawairu kalong ba nga don kamru ya ka if anyone can come and like help me for the sponsorship for training camp ro nomor ka training camp haban invest in aldi wa penut in aldi so shani ka sham jinjar nomor ba ngimdon ki companies so ngila try and approach to companies from outside ro ta ngidang ikran tanpa as soon as possible nomor ba ubni ubnai ban wan ngala banyo ka fight kadon koi ka fight ru kabla offer yang on 17 hade Malaysia and then kidon kiwei kiba offer yang aru South Africa ta tamba most important menta kade ba ngakwa ka jingkershan menta ka training camp jonga kaban ngandet ka kawei ka training camp ka bangan jet ka di Dubai kawei ka di Thailand ta kata ri kawei ka ba kaba ngakwa ya ke long ke jingkat shan lagi pai ba ban ki nong ai song pama
kanu iga don kam ni training camp hadu kanu jing lo
the training camp ka day kumbam how much is the training camp for 2 months right?
Yeah, for 2 months it costs around like $700 or $800. It seems like
how much
$700 or $800.
For 2 months
Indian rupee can we convert
Indian rupees will be
must
like
be around
yes
75,000, I believe.
75,000
Yeah.
for each camp
For camp for 2 months.
for 2
Yeah.
months
Yeah.
and kalong ru kawai kaba long don't come around for long dangila mo long kata di tang shibanai the aka training camp sang kwa ban doni kaba 2 months I mean 2 months kan la ban prepare le yaldi mar bangan la ban prepare professionally mo bangan la ban yo ka jing job namar kani ka training camp su kalong very important hanga kani ka fight su kalong very important namar ba ngakwa ban poi shadu sha kumbanga ong menchuama ka por ka banga Ïalehkai sabab ngakwa ban poi ka UFC sing singi ba kata jing angnut kampat ja nanga so kani kawan hanga menta ka kenti but jing lingba ka jing arab jong blade track and rod the kani kani lo the ngakwa ban I my best
Yung kani ka jingkat shan kam tam ka bot pisane film kam so far fla don nem ki ba wan khamat banyarap ba kula banyarap na
so far kadam tang ka ning dang don ta jing kran nim padon ka jing tho kini tai ka ba yung dang don tang jing kran ka de ka Ïalehkai University the ki ong I kin dat sa tang ba ngam pat tip long kata kenti so far
ke jaka ba fi choose Thailand ka Dubai
either kadai ka long sukhan la dangalet cha if I go to Netherlands then I have to go to Dubai.
Yeah. So it's based on the fight location. We'll be deciding the training camps and everything.
Okay.
So if he is fighting in the east side of the country, he will be doing it in Dubai. And if he is fighting near Thailand or anything, he will be doing the camps in Thailand.
kumagalum ta fila kum fi la kila ni la di bat halayi ha chakal la job
hiamanta te ka jingkilan jonga kalong kumto hi nga sule kat ka badan ai kat ki bang ayo ai long nga su kampat dalong ra up to that mark bang kwa mo long kapan da yura du kata so takadaw nga kwa bakan nganyo kita ka professional level mo hiamanta te ka sulong kumto long ampat da yo kan kilan bakan long asule kat ba ngala in step in scheme janmit kumta.
so can you tell us something about your management and your association with
Yeah, so we've been in this industry for more than like 13 years and we represent a lot of UFC fighters and this is the first time we are coming out to India and signing up an Indian fighter and starting to represent them. So we knew Raymound through one of our UFC fighters, Trishan Go. He told me like Raymound is a good prospect and he is up and coming out of Meghalaya and he wants to fight outside the Indian country. So we've been planning to organize a training camp for Raymound in Thailand or in Dubai. So the training camp for 2 months will cost around 80,000 and if you cover up the flight cost and the stay it will come around like 1.5 to 2 lakhs I believe. And we have already a couple of offers on the table from South Africa, Thailand, Singapore and Malaysia. And I'm also having a call for Raymound with the Netherlands promotion as well. So I believe we will have fight news very soon. So and we are planning to do a 2 months long training camp. So for this we are looking for sponsors and anyone who is willing to support Raymound for his career.
from your management side you can sponsor him or the entire camp and all
No, so we will also look for sponsors for him and we will be taking care of his fight news and when he is going to fight and new fights or contracts and everything.
okay
What is your organization name? Your organization name?
management name
Management name is Upgrade Marketing Group. It is actually based out of US.
okay
So how did you find the talent?
So one of our fighters introduced Raymound to us and we saw a couple of his videos and he's really solid on his striking game and we saw the potential in him and he was like very hungry to fight and everything. So and then we had a couple of calls and then we signed him up.
How
No.
many months you have been with Raymound now?
So I've been with Raymound for like 2 months now.
The contract is for how many years?
We signed a contract for 1 year and from there we will extend it up.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela